how to start up an AI travel vlog. Yeah. So a lot of you want to actually learn how to do AI travel vlogs and you don't know how to record these AI travel vlogs like so.
Hi guys, travel with me to Jamaica. Let's package my suitcase now.
So today I'll be teaching you how to start up your AI travel vlogs with just AI for free. Text to video, text to image. All you need to do is to create an avatar of yourself if you want a lookalike of yourself to do these travel vlogs or cooking vlogs with you. Just create an avatar and let me tell you how to do it step by step, okay? You get to generate the images, you get to generate the videos, and then you get to put music over, travel the world with AI, your AI avatar. Guys, this niche is actually raining right now. It's a new niche. Everybody's jumping on it. If you want to try it, say you heard it from me first. Yeah. So let's go. Let me teach you how to do your AI travel vlogs and get trending here on YouTube. Let's go.
First thing you need to do is we go to ChatGPT. You all already know, right? The first thing we need to do is to go to ChatGPT. You already know. Now, ChatGPT, that's where we are going to get our script. That's where we are going to get our story. And that's where we are going to get this mini vlog. Okay? Now, first thing first, I'll go to ChatGPT. Once I get to ChatGPT, because I don't want to type too much, I'll paste the prompt, but I'll give you time to be able to go through the prompt and you can be able to read the prompt as well. Okay, so this is the prompt. I actually said create a fun and vibrant 5 to 10 scene. So for this one, I'll just put 5. Let's put, yeah, let's put 3 because I don't want it too long. Okay, let's say 3 to 5. 3 to 5, yeah. 3 to 5 scenes vacation series featuring my AI avatar enjoying a typical getaway in Jamaica. Okay, start with her packing her suitcase and heading to the airport. Guys, listen, okay? Include a scene of her on the plane, looking outside the window and arriving in Jamaica with excitement. Show her during the vacation activities like lodging on the beach and all that and all that. So this is a lot, but let me just paste and give you guys small minutes to pause and screenshot. So there you go. Okay, just screenshot that. I'll leave that not now. Okay, I'll leave that. Just screenshot that so you can get the right prompt for you to be able to get this. Now in your own prompt you can mix out things. You can change the country. Instead of Jamaica, you can put any country of your choice. Okay, any country, Tanzania, any country of your choice, just put it in. So this is the prompt. Screenshot and then you use it. Okay, now so this is it. Now here they said I did love to create a typical vacation image series for your AI avatar. To get started, could you please upload an image of your avatar so I can maintain her consistent her extra outfits, hairstyle and this. Okay, so now sorry, ChatGPT actually asked me to upload an image because they want to create my avatar. So you can actually use any avatar, but if you want to create yours, since ChatGPT has given us this, and I don't want to pay for ChatGPT now. Yes, I don't want to pay for ChatGPT now, but we need to create all these images. So we will not be creating these images here on ChatGPT. We'll be taking it to another app to create these images. Now, for us to get these images and nicely, what we need to do is we'll actually tell ChatGPT to give me image prompt. So I'll say, give me image prompt for each scene for each scene with consistent character. Okay, now if I already know the kind of character that I want to use, so if I say with consistent character, which means like with consistent character of, let's say a dark skin, I'll say a brown, like let's just use brown skin. I don't want too dark. Okay, brown skin African lady, African lady with red afro hair. So we use red afro hair. Yeah. So if you put the red afro hair, any other thing that you want to put with the red afro hair, and a slim thick body. Okay, let's just put that in check, because of course we are going for vacation. Slim thick, a slim thick body, slim thick body type. Okay, so the slim thick body type, of course we all know how it's gonna be, okay. So I said give me an image prompt for each scene, sorry, I did not put scene, for each scene. Okay, for each scene with consistent character of a brown skin African lady with red afro hair and a slim thick body type. So you can go ahead and put any other thing. Okay, now why I'm doing this, because I want you guys to know this prompting. If somebody does not give you the prompt step after step, voila, you will not get it right. You will go round and round on YouTube and come back and fall on the same place. So I'll click here and just click on generate, and I'll wait for ChatGPT to give me the image, the prompt. Okay, so a 3D Disney style of a brown skinned African woman with bright red afro hair and a slim thick body, packing her suitcase in a cozy modern bedroom. Okay. So now this is it. They've given us all the prompts that we need. If you ask for 10 prompts, they give you 10 prompts. Okay. So this is what ChatGPT gave us. Now what we need to do now is we copy the first prompt, because why not? Copy your first prompt. You take it to your favorite app where you create your images. So I will go here on PicLumen. I'll go to PicLumen. Yeah, so this is how PicLumen looks like. It's an app. I'll put everything in the description box for you all. So this is how it looks like. Now, first thing first, what I need to do is I'll click on create. Here you see explore create tools. I'll click on create. Yeah, I've been creating crazy. Okay, now when you get here, what you need to do is they say, what do you want to draw? I'll click on there where they say, what do you want to draw? And then I'll click again, and then I paste my prompt. Now, when I paste my prompt, all I need to do is just click on generate. I'll click on generate, and I generate my prompt. So let's go and generate this prompt. Clicked on generate. Sorry, I was changing the aspect ratio. So you can always change the aspect ratio of your image if you want it a YouTube style or the TikTok style. So there you go. Now, there you go. You have that. You have this. So it's actually AI. So you get to choose. Okay. You check out the images and you get to see if the images are nice for you. If they are not nice for you, you recreate again. Okay. You generate again. This AI tool is free. This PicLumen is free. So you can generate many pictures of your choice, many images without getting any trouble. So I did this first image. Now I'll look at the one that really goes well with somebody packing. Let's say this one, packing clothes. Okay, I'll take this. Okay, I'll click on the 3 buttons there. Then I click on save. We have that saved in. Now I'll go and get the second prompt again, which is the second prompt. I'll click on the second prompt. I'll put in that. So yeah, they say a stylish scene of the same woman. So I'll just copy that prompt, copy the prompt, go back to PicLumen and paste again. But now my description in there was not there, because they said the same scene with the stylish woman. Okay, with the same woman. So yeah, I'll come here and I copy the character of the lady, which is the brown skin African lady with red afro hair. Copy, okay, and tick body type. So I'll copy that all in 3D style, shiny quality and all that. There you go. We have it. I'll go back to PicLumen and I'll make sure where it says the 3D Disney style scene of the same woman. So where it says the same woman, right? I'll just click there. Instead of the same woman, I'll put that prompt. I'll paste that description of that person like an African lady, dark skin, this. Then I click again on generate. Then I wait for it to generate again. So each scene you generate, you save your images. Each time you generate, you save your images. Each time you generate, you save your images. So we have her here already at the airport holding her passport, which is a good thing. So we click there, save the image. Yeah. Once you save the image, next thing we need to do is we're going to the Hello AI. Okay. We are going to the Hello AI to put these images into videos. Okay, so we are here now. This is the Hello AI app, and this is how it looks like. Okay, this is the Hello AI. For those of you who don't know, Minimax or Hello AI, how you call it. Okay, now once you click here, when you get to this place, what you need to do is where it says upload, you click on upload. You click to photos. You go to your gallery and you take the photo that you took. Let's say the first photo of her folding her things and packing. You click on that. It brings it here. Now, the next thing you need to do is they say unleash your creativity, share your story here. Now, you go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt that you used in generating that image. Okay, so it will be the first one, the number first prompt. I'll copy it all, take it back to the Hello AI app, which is here, and then I'll paste it. So we'll use the same image, we'll use the same prompt for animating this image. Now I'll click on generate. That's the 30 coins. You see down here, you see 30. I'll click on 30. When you click on 30, you wait. Now here you say create history. You can see one job in Quero. When you click there, it will tell you to wait. They say image generating, optimizing prompt in progress. So you have it like that. Now I am waiting, okay? 6 minutes to generate. So after 6 minutes, I'll come here and show you guys. If you've watched till now, please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to share. And do not forget to comment in the comment section the next AI tool you want me to teach you or to show you how it works. Okay? So, yeah. So, yeah, you can see the video is ready. Let's play and see how it works.